If you are looking for a stunning neighborhood with walking distance to award-winning public schools, an expansive park, and endless greenway trails, Witherspoon in Brentwood may find itself on the top of your list. There are still 4 new construction developer-owned homes, but if you're looking for a beautiful resale in the neighborhood, there is a perfect selection. Number 1, 9243 Lehigh. Priced at $4.4 million, this custom-built hilltop home by Pichet and Stonegate features luxurious living space, an expansive working pantry, a dreamy porch with remote shades, and a serene pool with a waterfall spa. Number 2, 1457 Witherspoon. For textured luxury in a showcase location, this one steals the show at $4.5 million. Rich woodwork and brick flooring set the stunning kitchen apart, while the theater room flows perfectly to the covered porch and park-like private backyard. Number 3, 9316 Edenwilde. For the ultimate in spaciousness, this beauty brings nearly 10,000 square feet on a level 1-acre lot. With soaring ceilings and walls of windows, this light-filled beauty will steal your heart at $5.3 million. With its perfect blend of luxury, prime location, and vibrant lifestyle, Witherspoon in Brentwood is truly something special. If you're looking for a place that feels just right, this sought-after community might be exactly what you need.